Hey guys, it's Maldonado, and I am creating with the December Hip Kit Club kits and a cut file that is absolutely adorable. I am not a cut file guru, so I kind of I don't know, I probably need a lesson, maybe two. However, I'm not sure where the piece of the video is putting this together, but it really was a mess, as you can tell. So don't listen to me on any advice that I have to give with cut files. However, the little lime orange thing on the top corner, I tried to make that look like a peppermint because this is a kind of a Christmassy December type of a layout that I want to make. So this whole section here, I thought I wanted the bow to be prominent, and I thought if I left it red and put it on top, it would be that. Well, no, that didn't work. So I traced and cut out. I used the trace section on the silhouette. Anyway, so I cut it out, and I'm so excited because it actually looks decent, right? Nope. I get it done, and there's a piece missing of the white border part on the top left part of the cherry or berry or whatever it is. So I'm frustrated. I set it aside for a second, and I take out markers and color the stems or the veins of the leaves, and I wanted those a little brown, and that would match what I thought would look like chocolate sticks into my drink. Maybe I should have kept them peppermint too, but anyway, I didn't. So I used a scratch piece of paper, so when I colored those little veins of the leaves, I didn't bleed onto the green. So that was a brilliant idea, but that's the only brilliant idea I had for this layout. So I recut the same section again. So now there's 3 white border outline dies on top of the green berry section. You can't tell. The normal person wouldn't tell. You guys might be able to tell because you guys like scrapbooking, but my family will never know. So here's where I decide which photo or which paper I want to use for my background, and I loved the pink. And then I got done with my layout, and I didn't love the pink, but I love the pink polka dot by itself, but then I just didn't like the way it came out in the layout. Maybe I need more paper. I don't know. So this is my friend and I, and the fancy drinks we got from a really fun restaurant. We actually searched places that would have fun drinks, and this is where we went. So I used the cut file, or not the cut file, but the dies that came in the December kit that says, "You're amazing," and I trimmed off the "your" twice. Yep, twice. So, and the second time it did actually come out properly, so I'm able to use that as part of my title. I did start my title in one way, and then I changed the title. I think I said amazing times, but I didn't want to use times after all towards the end, and I switch it out and put in letters. So you'll see that in a second, but I didn't want to add too much to this. I really wanted to stop here because I just did, but I needed a little more. So I went through and I collected some of the pieces that I thought I might want to use and what were color coordinated with my layout and that would work. Yeah, I put a lot of those back. I chose something different. By the end of the layout, I've got little bits and pieces that might match, that maybe don't match. I don't know. But I hope that you have found some humor in this, because I honestly was not thrilled with the way this layout ended, but I loved all this product. So maybe it's the pink paper. Maybe I should have switched it to the black and white paper. I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, if you want to learn more about the Hip Kit Club and not my layout, go to the video below the video. There's a place where you can find out where this kit came from, which cut file I use, all that kind of business. It'll tell you how you can join the club, where you can find me if you're so inclined to see more crazy videos. I apologize that this one is a little haphazard, but I really love the product. I just didn't like the way this one ended up. I know you've all been through this before. Maybe I'll pick those pieces off and put them on a different layout. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. I am going to leave you with the little bits and pieces being added on here and some close-ups of my images of the layout. So have a good look, and I will see you next time. I think I'll be back next week. Give me another chance. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.